Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can select recording sound source, you can record media or media and microphone, you can change video quality, you can change selfie video size, you can show taps and touches, and you can select where you're gonna save, like in which location you're gonna save recording files. So to start, just tap on this button once. You can also switch sound settings here, and after a countdown, recording starts. So here you can switch the selfie video. Here you can like make some notes on the screen, something like that. You can pause the screen here, pause the recording, then you can play it again, and when you're done, just tap on this square, and after that it will be saved to gallery, to this special album called Screen Recordings. So yeah. I guess it didn't record my mic, but you can see like, yeah. Here you can also add this recording to favorite, you can edit it, share, delete, and perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.